Welcome back to the Epicurean Kitchen, where we do a taste of Asia with my famous black pepper chicken, where that frisky magnetizes towards this recipe. Let's get into it. First and foremost, we're going to start off by butchering off these chicken thighs. I got them skin on. At home, you can get them skin off, that's fine. I just like the skin. You know, this dish really walks you through a Taiwanese street market with all the smells of the garlic and the tamari. Let's get into it. I'm going to take these chicken thighs and put them into 4 different sections. Okay, cut my chicken thighs up, 4 pieces out of 1 thigh, so I got 8 beautiful pieces here. I got some sesame oil, a little bit over the top. Do a little salt and pepper, the most important tool in the kitchen. And we're just going to massage that through with our hands. You can smell the sesame oil. Oh, sweet. Okay, we're going to set our chicken to the side here. Grab a bowl. And then now we're going to go with our wet ingredients. This is one of those awesome dishes where you mix your wet ingredients, you cook off your chicken thighs, and you mix it all at the end for complete magic. Super simple to do. First, we're going to start off with our ketchup. Some tamari, garlic, honey, and then now we're going to go with our oyster sauce. Yummy. And our chicken stock. And you know, if you're at home and you have vegetable stock or even water works just fine. But we're taking this to Flavor Town, so we're going to use chicken. Awesome. Okay, then I'm just going to whisk it a couple times, and we're going to add our Bushman's pepper pot, which is an unbelievable spice for this dish. Usually I would just use black pepper, but this just brings it to a different level with depth, with spice, with yumminess. So, okay, I'm going to grab my colorful whisk here, and I'm just going to bring those ingredients into one. Smells great. You can smell the garlic, you can smell the sesame oil. Now comes the fun part. I got a wok behind me, and we're going to take this all into the more street side of cooking for me. All right, we got a nice steamy hot wok. You never want to start with a cold wok. I'm going to go a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of butter, and we're just going to start caramelizing these chicken thighs off. Nice, we put our chicken thighs in. You can hear the sizzle. We're really trying to get the skin crispy or the meat nice and caramelized. You don't need a wok at home to do this recipe at all. I do it all the time in a regular saute pan. And so I'm just cooking them on 3 minutes on each side, medium-high heat. I'm gonna season them again and then flip them and start putting this dish together. All right, let's flip them up. Beautiful. So this chicken is really crispy on each side. I'm going to take it out on this plate, let it rest, get some of that oil out of there, and then we're going to go in with our butter and regular sauce and bring it all together. Pick up all those pieces on the pan there. Let's go our sauce. Gotta love that. We put our sauce in with that melted butter, and we're just reducing it down for a second because we're going to add our chicken back into it in about 30 seconds. How about now? Let's go. Chicken's going back in. And we're just going to bring those sauce and that chicken together. Smells lovely. So we're just going to reduce that sauce a little bit till it starts sticking to that chicken, gets on all those Nice little crevices in between the skin and the meat. Love it. Yummy. It is all coming together. I got some green onion tops here, just the greens, about the front 2 inches of them. And I'm gonna put those in with our pepper black chicken, and they're just gonna wilt in there nicely and get all between the chicken thighs. All right. I'm gonna plate this magnificent black pepper chicken. I got the black pepper chicken on a plate. It smells like a Taiwanese street market in here. It's so nice. I'm just gonna garnish it with some minced scallions. Boom. Lunch is served.